Is it the right time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? Let's dive deep into Taiwan Semiconductor in this video, where we'll provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 8, 2024, our system has identified Taiwan Semiconductor as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 2.83. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 27.6% since we first recommended Taiwan Semiconductor as a buy candidate 25 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.1% since its listing as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend and may present a selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react towards the lower part of the trend. However, if it breaks the top trend line at $134.60, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 24.51% change over the next 3 months. The possible return ranges from 4.91% to 28.46%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected 14.73% change over the next year. The potential return ranges from -20.13% to 17.72%. This translates to a price range of $104.20 to $153.58 after a year. In today's update on Taiwan Semiconductor, we have some interesting news. Red day on Monday for Taiwan Semiconductor. The stock price of Taiwan Semiconductor dropped by 1.99% on Monday, February 12, 2024. It went from $133.11 to $130.46. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $130.26 and a high of $133.51, showing a 2.5% variation. In the past 10 trading days, the stock price has risen in 6 of them and has experienced an overall increase of 11.52% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased along with the stock price, which is usually considered a positive sign. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 3 million shares, with a total of 14 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.77 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $135.17, while the lowest was $81.21. Currently, the stock price is 3.48% below the 52-week high, which is equivalent to $4.71, and 10.03% below the all-time high, amounting to $14.54. The all-time high was reached on January 13, 2022, when the stock price soared to $145. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for TSM. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Needham gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Moving back to Thursday, November 16, 2023, UBS also gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Going further back to Thursday, July 20, 2023, Wedbush expressed their positive outlook for TSM by giving it an outperform grade with a hold action. And on the same day, July 20, 2023, Needham once again gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, June 1, 2023, Needham showed confidence in TSM by giving it a buy grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Taiwan Semiconductor stock has been given a general buy rating. The PE ratio is also rated as buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also considered a buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. Today, we will be discussing the signals that have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of a correction in the stock price, there is support expected from the lines at $125.17 and $110.75. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it would issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's important to note that some negative signals were also observed, which may have an impact on the near future development of the stock. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 8, 2024, resulting in a decline of -2.45% so far. It is anticipated that the stock may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. On the last trading day, both the volume and price of the stock decreased, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 26 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average shows a buy signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 64 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. When looking at the downside, we can see that the stock has support levels just below today's price. Accumulated volume suggests that there is support at $116.52 and $114.20. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Taiwan Semiconductor, the next support level would be at $116.52, followed by $114.20 and $113.03. Now, let's talk about the stock's volatility. Taiwan Semiconductor has the potential to experience significant price movement during the day. This means that it is considered to be a high-risk stock. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. Looking at the past day, the stock had a price difference of $3.25 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 2.5% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.86%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio helps us understand how a company's current share price compares to its per-share earnings. For Taiwan Semiconductor, the PE ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in businesses with a long track record or predictable revenues. Moving on to the latest news, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected on April 18, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.29. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $133.11. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock experiences a decline, the first support level to keep an eye on is at $116.52. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, potentially leading to a rebound. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $124.77, which represents a decrease of 4.36%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which inherently carries a higher level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 76, further increasing the risk associated with this investment. We also observed a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 2 days ago, adding to the cautionary signs for this stock. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and an overall positive trend. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity for Taiwan Semiconductor stock in the current market. Additionally, our systems have found that the current price is undervalued, based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to Tuesday, February 13th, we anticipate Taiwan Semiconductor to open up 95 cents and start trading at $131.41. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please don't solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge that you are solely responsible for your investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing the current view of a particular stock. We value your opinion, so feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also interested to know what target you have in mind for this stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Lastly, we want to wish you successful trading and a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.